Hello guys, and welcome back to another video of ITinside01. So guys, you and I will do an unboxing today of this KotionEach headphones. So let's begin the unboxing. Disclaimer. First thing first guys, let me clear that this video is not a paid review. So guys, this is the product which I ordered from the Flipkart on 1st January 2018. This is my first product of the year. So the packaging is done by the Flipkart, is nice, no tear at all. Let me grab the knife, unboxing knife, and cut the tape. And inside the box there is only one bubble wrap, nothing else. Let me move. So this is the main product and nothing in the box. On the top of the box the branding has been done, KotionEach Pro Gaming Headset. On the front the image of the headphone and partial view of the original product, the image of the headphones, and on the back side of the box the detail of the headphones or the configuration of the headphones in different language has been provided. So let's open the box. On opening the box we see orange plastic case and some paperwork and nothing at all. So paperwork says in Chinese, totally Chinese, and this one has multi-language manual. And let's keep aside the headphones and see other stuff. And it has one aux cable and a mini USB cable. So the quality of the aux and USB cable quality is little bit okay, not premium. And headphones cables are look like premium or feels like premium. And this is a cap of the headphone jack. So this is the main product, KotionEach headset, Bluetooth headset. So it's a full plastic body. This headphone comes in 3 colors: orange black, blue black, and white blue. I have ordered the black and blue one. Let's remove the plastic film. So it's so shiny. So the padding with the comfort is provided with a good quality one, not the bad. And on the head top it's a rubber quality or a rubber like material. Both sides KotionEach branding and LED lights on the both sides. On the right side the physical buttons are provided: power button, volume up and next, volume down and previous, and a micro USB for charging it, and aux in cable. Now let's test its audio quality. So this was the audio from the KotionEach headphones. Its sound is very good, no compromise done on the sound quality, but I would rate it 8 out of 10 because it has 2 cons: that plastic material can be improved and the cushion padding can also be improved in this headphone. Overall it was a very nice experience of this headphone. Comment your opinion guys regarding the headphone of this brand in the comment box, and if you want to buy this, the link is provided in the description. So guys, leave a like if you like this video. If you are new to my video, then don't go without subscribing this channel, as you may miss the cool stuff and the tech knowledge of an IT. Till then, stay aware, stay secure.